and welcome back to Easy Step English. This is our third episode, and we're happy you're here with us in the studio. I'm Jack, your high school English teacher from Columbus, Ohio. Today's topic is the bus and public transport.
And I'm Laura, your junior high English teacher from the same city. We're both here, excited to get into another episode for you. We'll be using easy English so you can learn, practice, and follow along. And today we'll take a little trip by bus.
Laura, be honest. Do you like taking the bus, or do you only like your car?
I actually like the bus, but it can be confusing. Many signs, many numbers, and sometimes many people. For English learners, the bus stop can feel scary.
Yes, you have to read the schedule, watch the time, listen to the driver, and sometimes you're in a hurry. But it's also a great place to practice simple English.
Exactly. And you don't need perfect sentences. You just need a few clear phrases like, "Does this bus go downtown?" Or, "Where do I get off?"
Let's start at the bus stop. You might see a bus stop sign, a bench, and maybe a small shelter. A schedule shows the route number, the time, and the direction.
Good. And sometimes it's raining or cold. So you're standing there, checking your phone, checking the sign, maybe looking a little worried. That's normal. You can always ask another person, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the mall?"
Nice. Let's do a small mini story. Yesterday, I was at the bus stop. I wanted to go downtown. The sign said bus 10, downtown. I thought, great, that's my bus. But when the bus came, the sign on the front looked different. I felt nervous.
I know that feeling. So what did you do? Did you get on the wrong bus, Jack?
Almost. I walked to the door and asked the driver, "Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?" The driver smiled and said, "Yes, it does. Hop on." I felt relief.
That's a perfect model sentence. "Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?" You can change the last word. Does this bus go to the station? Does this bus go to the airport? Very useful.
Now, let's talk about paying. In many cities, you pay when you enter the bus. You might use cash, a card, or a pass.
The driver might say, "It's $2," or "Tap your card here." You can ask, "How much is a ticket?" or "Do you take cards?" Say it slowly. It's okay.
Sometimes you need exact change. That means you need the right amount of money, not more, not less. If you're not sure, you can show your coins and ask, "Is this enough?"
And after you pay, you walk down the aisle. You look for a seat or a safe place to stand. You can say, "Excuse me," if you need to pass someone. Small, polite words are very powerful.
Let's practice a short bus dialogue. I'll be the passenger, and Laura, you be the driver. Ready?
Ready. I'll try my best bus driver voice.
I say, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the university?"
I say, "Yes, it does. You need to get off at the third stop."
Then I say, "Thank you. How much is a ticket?"
I answer, "It's $2.50. You can pay with cash or card."
That's it. Short and simple. Our listeners can pause and repeat that part.
Yes, repeat and copy the rhythm. You're not just learning words, you're learning the music of English.
Another common question is, can you tell me when we get to my stop? For example, can you tell me when we get to Main Street?
That's so helpful. You say it once, then you relax. The driver or another passenger may say, "Sure, I'll let you know." Then you don't have to stare out the window the whole time.
On the bus, you may also hear "next stop," followed by a street name. There might be a screen or a voice that tells you the stops.
If you miss your stop, don't panic. You can get off at the next stop and ask, "How do I go back?" People are usually kind, especially when they hear you're learning English.
Let's review some important bus words. Bus stop, bus driver, route number, ticket, pass, exact change, next stop.
And some key phrases. Does this bus go to? How much is a ticket? Can you tell me when we get to my stop? Is this the right bus for downtown?
Remember, public transport is a great classroom. Every bus ride is a small English lesson.
And every mistake is normal. If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, Can you speak more slowly, please?
Thanks for riding with us on Easy Step English, Episode 3. Next time you take a bus, try one new phrase.
We're here in the studio, cheering for you. Step by step, your English is getting stronger. See you in the next episode. Bye!